Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to come on here and say that I hope everybody had a blessed weekend. Send my prayers out to all the victims who were stabbed in the Traverse City, Michigan stabbing. Salute to Derek, the guy who pulled his gun out to detain the suspect until the officer got there. Also, what I am going to be doing is I am going to be dropping some audio recordings today that you guys got to remember. I had a hearing on February 2nd, 2023 in front of the Secretary of State of Michigan, in front of hearing officer Molly Cazarelli, who misled the courts, who made overwhelming, false, defamatory, misleading statements about me that were not true at all whatsoever. The audio recordings I'm going to be dropping is inside the Isabella County 76th District Court when I was speaking with the Administrative Court Clerk, Carrie Curtis, who filed all my stuff. I had a hearing on July 25th, 2023. The judge said that I was not ready and I didn't meet the merits to move forward for a trial, pre-trial, whatever, which is false and not true. So they set me up for a court date on August 22nd, 2023. I did not get to do any of my motions that haven't been heard. On August 22nd, I requested to speak with the prosecutor, Mark Kowalski, one-on-one because I was representing myself. I'm pro se. He was sitting inside the courtroom when I requested it to the bailiff, and he heard me, and the bailiff pointed right at him and said that he was right there. I did not get to speak to him one-on-one. So, after I had my hearing on August 22nd, which I caught up a lot of corruption for perjury, obstruction of justice, tampering with witnesses and evidence, conflict of interest between Mark Kowalski and the Secretary of State in the state of Michigan, and they failed to hold Molly Cazarelli in contempt of court because I filed a subpoena, and I also filed a motion in an order for a second summons and subpoena. After I caught up all their corruption, I had surgery due to a hernia in October. So I filed for, demanded for an investigation to be done, stay of enforcement, late appeal, and discovery, and none of the stuff was heard, so they set me up for January 22nd. I couldn't have the hearing on January 22nd, so they rescheduled it for March 22nd, 2024. So when you guys hear all these recordings around in regards to the 76th District, that is what it's all pertaining to, of all the corruption that the stuff was filed in the court of law. So